Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect soundbar to Samsung TV using optical cable. Let's go. Open source. Connection guide. Audio device. Select Optical. Connect the optical cable to your soundbar and to the TV in the digital audio out. Next. Select your soundbar or open Settings, Sound, Sound Output. Select your soundbar. That's it. Now you know how to connect soundbar to Samsung TV using optical cable. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.